In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, clickable link on your card site, whether it points to a product page, a social profile, or any resource you want visitors to find quickly. First, head to Card.co and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, pick the site where you want the link to live. Click the pencil icon on that site to open it in the editor. This takes you into the build view where you can add and configure elements on your page. Inside the editor, look for the add icon, usually shown as a plus sign. Click it to open the element picker. From the list that appears, choose links. This groups together cards' link-related elements. Next, select link. That option creates a single clickable item you can style as text or as a button, depending on your design. A settings panel opens on the side. In the label field, type the text you want visitors to see. This is the visible part of your link, so keep it short, clear, and action-focused. For example, Shop Now, View Portfolio, or Read More makes it obvious what happens when someone clicks. If you're linking to something recognizable, using the brand or page name works well too. Now move to the URL field and paste or type the full web address. Include the correct protocol, like HTTPS to ensure the link works everywhere. Take a moment to double check for typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. A quick copy and paste from your browser's address bar can prevent broken links. If you're linking to another page on the same site or a well-known platform, make sure the URL is current and accessible. When everything looks good, click Done. Your link is now added to the page and ready to use. At this point, you can leave it as is or tailor its look so it matches your design. To customize the style, open the Appearance tab, also shown as the paint icon. Here you can adjust the font, size, weight, colors, and alignment. You can also style it to appear more like a button if you want a stronger call to action. Aim for high contrast so the link is easy to read, and consider a distinct hover effect to make it feel responsive and accessible. That's all there is to it. Open your site, add a link element from the Links section, write a clear label, paste the correct URL, click Done, and refine the appearance if you'd like. Simple, quick, and effective.